Hello everyone, Mouse here. So, tonight's topic is on discussing servers and a situation that I am having. Well, this weekend I joined one of my favorite servers to play on Spin Co-op called Misfires. It's one of my favorite servers to play on. And, well, I have a problem with the server now. The admins have decided to take sound bites of me and use them against me and put them in a weapon without my permission. I wasn't given no notification about it. I wasn't given no message on Steam or nothing. It was all done behind my back. And I'm very, very frustrated, and I'm very, very ill about it. You know, they went behind my back, done something without my permission. It pisses me off deeply. So that's what tonight's topic's about. So, I joined a favorite server because I'm bored and I want to play some Spin Co-op, and I was given the weapon Pumpkin, and when it explodes, all I hear is my voice when it explodes. And I'm sitting here like, what the heck is this? Right? And then a few minutes later I asked him, like, what's going on? Why are you using my voice? And they started coming up with all these stupid excuses and start trolling me with it, which I'm ill about. You know, but it makes me very ill when someone does that. I mean, I wasn't given any message on Steam about it. I wasn't given nothing. No messages on Steam. No, hey Mouse, we're gonna use your voice and sound bites to a weapon, you know? It would have been much appreciated if I was given that, but the admin's favorite thing to do on Misfire's Spin Co-op server is troll me. That's all they do. And they troll with other players too. You know, I was talking to two of the former admins that stepped down because they saw how Misfires is. And, well, they tried to talk to the main owner about it. And, well, he wouldn't do nothing about it. He just blew it off like it was nothing. I mean, you know, I've had discussions with the admin about it, the main owner, and two of the former admins, Pierce and Eisen, had discussions to the main admin about it. And, well, the problem is that he don't even care. I mean, I've been on Misfires for 4 years, okay, and I've not been shown the least amount of respect towards anybody in the server. I've been playing on Misfire since I was 14 years old, and now I'm 18. You know, they went behind my back, recorded videos of me. Yeah, I lied about stuff on Misfires, you know, but that was in the past. You know, and the person who recorded it forgave me. But when someone like that goes behind my back and doesn't give me a notification about, hey, we're going to use your voice in the sound bites to a weapon, I get pissed off about it, you know? I get easily frustrated, and I'm starting to get tired of Misfires. I mean, really, there's no other servers to play on besides Misfires. There are, but, you know, there are far less assholes on other servers than there are Misfires. I mean, the admins just shit in your face and just show you lack of respect. They've been showing lack of respect towards me, and they say, "Oh, Mouse, the reason we're not showing respect towards you is because you don't show respect towards me." I show them good respect towards them, and all I do is get shot in the face. Excuse my phone for going off, but yeah, all I get shown is just lack of respect towards anybody. And Misfires. And another person actually agrees with me about it, because they're on my side about it. I'm getting tired of being picked on at Misfires. I'm completely tired of it. So if you would, you know, help me out on this, because I want to find out what's going on with Misfires. You know, Eisen, my friend, who was a former admin of Misfires, actually stepped down because he saw all the bad and crazy stuff that the admins are doing at Misfires. And Pierce, he did too. He stepped down because of it. You know? They say Misfires is about community, but they don't even care. When they start using my voice against me, it makes me ill. It makes me completely, utterly ill. You know, they force me to do all this stuff, like get a job, get a state ID to get a job. That's all I hear out of them. Job this, job that. You know, they forced that stuff on me. And I'm getting sick and tired of them forcing stuff on me. I'm getting sick and tired of it. And I plan to stop it. I have plans to stop Misfires. Not completely remove it from the Sven servers, but I have ways to stop it. I mean, I am going to quit playing on Misfires eventually, but when I'm not forced to come play, just so I get some sort of bullshit excuse to come play, and then they just push me and force me to leave, you know, I'm getting tired of all that. You know, it's time I step up as an 18-year-old adult and actually leave the server and start doing my own thing. Go play on another server. Because I am getting tired of all the harassment towards me. Honest to God, I am getting tired of it. They don't show me respect. They don't show me nothing. I get shat on the entire server. Their favorite thing to do is just constantly talk to me. Mouse this, mouse that, mouse this, mouse that. I'm getting tired of it. It's time I step up and do something. So that's what tonight's rant is about. And, well, I want to try to step up and fix this. You know, the adult thing to do would just ignore these guys, but I can't. It's hard for me to ignore them when they're constantly saying mouse. And, well, I can mute them too, but I don't want to, because they might have something important to say and I'm not there to listen. But they don't listen to me at all. They don't listen. They listen to what they want to hear, not what I have to say. And I'm ill about it. You know, I try to talk to them about stuff. And what do? Not listen. They listen to what they want to hear, not what I have to say. You know, I want to fix this. And I want to fix it now. And I'm going to. I'm going to do the adult thing. But I want to talk to you guys about it and rant about it online. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this rant, because I am pissed off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoy this rant, because there's plenty more to go on. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. I'm MouseUZ. Hope you enjoyed the video. I love you, and peace out.